everyone. Now I am at North Pattaya. This is Soi 3 and I will to go to Soi 4 for street food. I want to grill fish and we'll have in Soi 4. And this is Beach Road. Like this. Pattaya Beach Road. And have a lot of taxi. Taxi like this. The taxi like this is 10 baht. Can go to walking street. Now I got Soi 4 and we'll find grilled fish. I see now. ปลาตัวเท่าไหร่คะเอา106ก็พอค่ะกินคนเดียว Yeah now I have one grilled fish is small one is 140 baht I will to bring back hotel and eat because today I have dentist here new from today and not easy to eat hard food then I'm fine maybe this one is soft grilled fish is soft and street foods is no half share table then I will buy and go eat at the hotel is I tell you before my friend is give me for free room 4 days and this is the last night for me is sometimes my friend come visit me but today I stay alone but I will be fine yes, I will have food soon now is 9:40 p.m. and I'm not sure after I eat maybe I go play pool because in Soi 3 have many bar and all of the bar have pool table. In Soi 4 it look nice also and have food but don't have grilled fish. Soi 4. This is my fish from today. This beach road and this is between Soi 3 it have food also som tam and fruit oh mango fruit look good I will go back hotel and eat this fish first and I'm not sure today maybe I go to play pool maybe 1 or 2 hours and come back to sleep because should to be sleep early tomorrow I have to drive to go to airport to pick up one guy like a taxi driver everything can get money I will do it's sure to be active not lazy and inside Soy 3 is have bar is maybe around 10 bar in this soy, in this road, and I will show you because I should to walk past. Oh, nice. Over there. Maybe I play pool here, or maybe I play pool at friend bar. Because if I go to friend bar, I should to take taxi. But if I play here, I just walk. Don't need to drive. Yeah, over there is have a bar, maybe 10 bar here. And have a different pool table. I think it's nice. It have different. Have food also. Have barbecue also. Barbecue, som tam. But I just want a grilled fish. Then I go Soy 4, have grilled fish.